Today we're gonna talk about giving people two options, one or two, where both of them work for you. And the power of it in marketing, in sales, at the front desk is so important. Please don't ignore it because it can make your job much easier. If you are a front desk person, an executive assistant, if you're a marketing person, you are very important because thanks to you, you are opening the doors to more business coming to your office. And there is one mistake that most marketers, most front desk people make without knowing about the mistake, and also without this being their fault because they just don't know about this. So I want to share it with you because it can help you. And if you're in business to improve more lives, if you're part of an office that has a big impact, it will also make you feel much better because as you are more effective in booking appointments, that means you are improving more lives through the work that you do. So check this out. Use just two options, not one, not four, not seven. Use two options when you are booking appointments. And here's how to apply it. Number one mistake that I hear at the front desk is not taking control and then using too many options in communication. So people who are not ready to make an appointment, they just say, I'm gonna call you back. And people don't know what to say because the appointment is already lost. If you lost a client or a patient, if you're a doctor's office, that's a big problem because that can not only cost the office, but also for that person who maybe decided to not come to you because they got confused, their life is not going to get improved and they may go somewhere else and maybe that's not going to be as good of an office as yours is. So here's what you do. One example, a patient calls you and asks you, what are your hours? Typically what I hear at the front desk is you actually give the hours, which is we are open Monday to Friday from this time to this time. Then we have a break in the middle of the day between this time and this time. Then we are also open on Saturdays and depending on the week because there is a holiday coming. Oh my God, so many options. So if I am calling you to make an appointment because I'm fully ready, I'm gonna make it work. I'm gonna ask you, we'll make it work, no problem. That's why you are booking appointments. But if you are dealing with somebody who is just not ready to make an appointment yet maybe, but they could if you convince them, here's a simple way to convince them. If they ask you about the schedule, just take control over the conversation and say, well, thank you for asking. Would you be a new patient or are you a current patient? Would you be a new client or are you a current client? No, I would be a new patient or client. Great, my name is Mike, let me welcome you to the office. Were you thinking about morning hours or afternoon is better? Actually afternoon. Well, I have today and I also have tomorrow. Which day would be better for you? And then this way, if you offer just two options, it's much easier to schedule. You may have a question, what happens if today or tomorrow doesn't work because maybe they're available on Friday and it's Monday? That's okay, because they can tell you, well, beginning of the week is out of the picture because I'm busy. That's okay. If beginning of the week doesn't work, we also have appointments towards the end of the week. Would you prefer Friday or would you prefer Saturday? And then when it comes to the time, the same thing. Would you prefer 4 p.m. or 5 p.m.? And give two options where both of those options work for you. Don't give them a yes or no question because the other option, no, doesn't work for you. Would you like to make an appointment? Yes, that works for you. No, doesn't work for you. So don't give an appointment alternative that is going to be a yes or no, but give an appointment alternative that will be like, would you prefer morning hours or afternoon? Would you like this week or next week? Would you like early morning or late afternoon? I think this can be a game changer. If you're at the front desk, it will make your time, valuable time, much more effective. You're going to be booking more appointments. If you are a marketing person, you'll be extremely productive because if you want to make an appointment, you just make it easy for people to schedule and you will save so much time on these follow-ups and other, problems that you have dealing with those appointments. So that's what I wish you. Make your job easy, and if you're in business to improve lives and you have staff, share this video with them because it can truly help them.